Welcome, friends, to the amazing Treehouse Clinic.
It's where our wonderful Dr. May and helpful Nurse Bear make sure. Dr. May loves to keep everything super neat and tidy. She knows a well-organized clinic is the best place for taking care of friends. And look at Nurse Bear. She's making sure all the bandages are perfectly placed, ready for any little scrape or boo-boo.
Achoo! Oh dear, Kitty just let out a super big sneeze. Bless you, Kitty!
Poor Kitty feels a bit confused and a little sad about her Sneezy Sniffle. Oh dear, Nurse Bear noticed something. Dr. May saw her friend Kitty looked a little sad and wondered if she felt okay. Hello, little one. How are you feeling today? Dr. May knew just what to do. She gently guided Kitty to rush with a robo-beep. Don't worry, Kitty. Robo-beep will help us discover why you're feeling so sneezy. Sweet Nurse Bear, always so thoughtful, brought a super soft, cozy blanket for Kitty. Here you go, little friend. Get comfy. Oh no! Look closely. Dr. May and Nurse Bear see tiny, sparkly dust making Kitty's little nose.
Even Robo-Beep knows what's coming. It's showing a blast-off emoji because Kitty's sneeze is about to mew-choo.
Dr. May and Nurse Bear are so happy Kitty feels better. Nurse Bear is a helpful pal, always ready with. See? Dr. May and Nurse are here to help everyone here feel safe and loved.